What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a really quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, as we've said, infinite times over the past few weeks, still looking really good here. Big coiling motion, breakout and the back test of the pennant formation here. We've run all the way up pretty much to the all-time high, but we just front run it with sell orders. And you can see here, we've come back down to support here, which was that previous swing high, as we've said before, basically around that 180 level here, where we did find support and we've had the bounce since then. So Polygon really is an outlier in the market right now in terms of, the alts that we've been looking at. It's performing really well in the face of this recent Bitcoin uncertainty. You can see throughout November, we had this, descending wedge like this. We got the breakout and the back test, perfectly back testing on the 0618 here as well. Look, this is exceptionally technical trading, isn't it? Support on the 618, resistance at the 078, come back down to support at the 618. We come up, we break out, we back test, we run all the way up to this local new swing high at 240. We come back down to that previous swing high that we talked about, so many times, that 180 level, sorry. That would be prevalent. You can see we come up, we come back down, test it as support again, get that W to the bottom. We come up and we get that extension all the way up close to the all-time high here at 258. Basically getting, this was really close to the all-time high. Look, we're like 3% away from it here. And then obviously with the market looking, having another bearish turn, we come back down, we find support perfectly on the on that 180 swing low again. We come back up, retesting that previous support here as resistance. As you can see, roll over, we retest the previous resistance as support. It's just a game of support and resistance, isn't it, charts? Resistance, support, breakthrough resistance, come up to the next resistance at 222, which was this previous swing high just here. And you can see, since then, we're coming back down, retesting support again. And you can see we could potentially be reversing the trend here, because if we actually draw a line in here, you'll see exactly what we mean. We've got this basically trading really technically here. You can see if we just draw the line in like this, you can see what's happened. It's just a game of support and resistance. You can see resistance here, we come down, find support, we break out resistance, back test it, and then obviously running up like this as well. So pretty clear in our opinion that Polygon right now looking very strong indeed, isn't it, in the face of these market conditions. And it is a top quality project, and you can see if you look at the daily chart, look at this chart. This is absolutely ridiculous. I can't believe that. When was this? On the 22nd of April in 2019, Polygon was zero. It's like, what is this, a third of a cent? And now it's $2. So absolutely incredible to see. A really top quality project. You can see on our weekly time frame here, things looking exceptionally good in our opinion. This is just look how bullish this chart is. You're just waiting for it to do this really, aren't you? And then have that real back test, run up again, and then just basically blow off the top of that top of that cup and handle formation, aren't you? So really looking very strong. Not much to say here apart from the fact that we look as though we are just continuing to the upside. You can see this trend for Polygon. It seems as though it is just making higher highs and higher lows, just continuing to the upside, looking really strong, isn't it? So we'd say Polygon, obviously we've always said it's a really good quality project, but if it does start to get more DeFi and more ecosystem for its network, it's probably going to continue to do very well in our opinion. So if we roll to the downside, we got this 195 fib support, as we've always said. Obviously a further roll would see us coming back down to that 180 level, probably even further than that if the market does have a big dump. 170 here, and we do have that that 618 always going to be a really strong support now for Polygon at 153, where we could see a huge bounce and basically put in a bit of a range like this. If we basically roll over looking something like this, where we just range between that 222 level and the 618. Moving to the upside, obviously you want to see us reclaiming this level at 222 and heading towards that all-time high, which would be our next target. And then, as we just said, We do think Polygon a really, really good quality project, and in reality we would say $5 to $10, very reasonable in our opinion. And if the DeFi on Polygon does start to pop off, we could see considerably more. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.